What's up, guys? Just wanted to share this one with you. This is a house that's getting remodeled directly across the street from me. We're at the beach. This used to be a one-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. They built a second story up top. Just want to walk you through, show you the tile work here. No electricity in the house. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. Here's bathroom number 1. Again, no electricity. Got a custom cabinet here. Undermount sink. Interesting texture. Feels like wallpaper. Here's the shower. It's a very small 3-wall shower. Here's the tile. This tile has lips all over the place. I'm assuming that's the style. It's going to be very hard to clean and maintain, but looks okay. Got your valve, shower head, 2 shelves. What's interesting is they're protecting this. We've got river rock for the floor tile here. You got your cut flat river rock. A toilet's going to go in here. Here's your shower pan. Got a little 2-inch LED. Let's go take a look at the master. I found this pretty interesting. I mean, this is a multi-million-dollar house. They bought the original house for $750,000 and they put, gosh darn, at least $500,000 in remodeling this. So here's the master. Again, just walk by this tub here. Doesn't look like they really care much to keep this beautiful, probably a very high-end, expensive tub clean. I mean, look at that. You've got drywall tape, trash, dirt. So again, this is the master bedroom. Got some floating shelves here. Very small little backyard, slider. Again, we're at the beach, so you don't have much of a yard. Let's walk into the master bathroom. Now, I found this kind of interesting. It's the first time I've taken a look. Still in the process of being remodeled, but again, some beautiful river rock here. Nothing's being covered. You've got dirt everywhere. This is where the tub's gonna go. Here's your vanity. Stone top. So it looks like a custom vanity. Here is the shower. Good looking setup, I gotta say, but again, no one's taking care of this. As you can see, we've got 24-inch by 24-inch porcelain here, 1/16" grout line. The grout doesn't look like it's been sealed. It's already getting dirty. As you can see, discolored, dirt everywhere. I mean, this is crazy. This is what you don't do as a contractor. Build something beautiful and don't even protect it. I mean, look at that. You've got dirt all over the place. The grout is inconsistent because people are spilling things all over it. Water and dirt. Let's take a look at the shower. You've got your toilet area here. Very interesting tile. It looks like it's a 10 by 30. If you can see that. It feels just like wallpaper. 1/16" grout lines. Here's the shower. Very cool valve. We just installed this valve and trim kit on Bath and Shower Tile Ideas. I believe episode 16. High end. You've got your rain head up here. Tile. Nice stone shelf. Beautiful little bench. Linear drain. You've got river rock installation for the pan. You've got your pitch and slope down here to the linear drain. But again, the tile is dirty already. Why wouldn't you cover up this job? This has got to be a $20,000 tile job here. It's beautiful, but I don't know. Dirty, damaged already. If I was the homeowner, I would be very disappointed if I walked in here. Anyways, yeah, just wanted to share with you guys what not to do as a contractor. People are paying you a lot of money to rebuild your house or rebuild a bathroom. You might want to come in here and take care of these things. Cover things. Make things look new for the paying homeowner to have this remodeled. So anyhow, again, just wanted to share this with you. Thanks for watching, guys. Utility room. If you are a contractor and you build a beautiful bath and shower, please, if you got people running around, cover that up. A lot of beautiful tile work in there. It looks like it's already dirty and damaged. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.